Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today I believe is the 18th day of this handbag unboxing frenzy in February, and if you are new to my channel and just stumbled upon it, hi, welcome. My name is June. I'm a doctor by day and I make YouTube videos in my spare time. I love all things luxury, especially handbags, and this month I am revealing a bag every single day, and these are all bags that I've accumulated over the past several years, and I am revealing them each day in the month of February. If this is something that excites you, I would love for you to join my little YouTube channel by subscribing. It is free, and also hitting the notification bell so you get notified of any time I upload a new video. Now I just wanted to preface this video by saying, if you have been watching these videos and it is triggering you or you're not enjoying all these unboxings, please go ahead and just exit out of this video. I feel like I need to preface it. I don't want anyone to feel bad while watching these videos. This is all in good fun. This is just to share with you guys the latest additions to my collection for those who are interested, because a lot of you guys are curious to see what I've added, and yeah, I love sharing it with you. And you know, I am a handbag addict, I am a collector, and I love purchasing bags and adding them to my collection because I can afford to do that. Okay you guys, let's do this. Let's get on to the unboxing. Today's bag is actually a bag that some of you guys may already know, depending on whether or not you follow me on Instagram. So if you don't already, I'm just going to put a little plug here. I would love for you to follow me on there. That's where I post a lot of photos and videos on styling and outfits, so do give me a follow there. That's also where I'm most active. I post a lot on my stories there, so if there's any questions or anything you want to ask me, Instagram is probably the best place. Okay, so I have got a little Chanel unboxing. As I said, some of you guys may already know this bag, but I have actually gotten a lot of questions about it, so let me share it with you guys. This is the Chanel, I believe it is the chocolate square bag. Shoulder bag, I don't even know. You guys remember I recently did a little unboxing or reveal of another chocolate style Chanel bag, but this is, I guess, like the hobo version of it. So it's a very simple design, but it is in this most amazing, gorgeous forest green color, which I absolutely love. It is absolutely stunning. It's got this giant CC on the front there, and then at the back it's just pretty plain. It is sort of like a square shoulder style, and then it's got this adjustable single shoulder strap, and I really like this because you can actually adjust the shoulder. Bear with me. So you can adjust this bag so that the strap is actually a shorter or longer length. So if you wanted to sort of carry it this way, you can, which makes it a lot shorter, a little bit more of like under the armpit type of baguette bag. And then if you wanted to lengthen it to really sort of make it like a everyday shoulder bag, you can. I actually carry it a little bit shorter because I am quite petite, but you can also really lengthen this strap so that it is quite long. So yeah, you can actually shorten it like this, so now it's a really nice long shoulder bag if you wanted to, or you can shorten it. It's completely up to you. I really love this because of the color. Now this does come in other colors like black, but it is quite a simple design, but I really love that the shoulder strap is adjustable, and it's just a little sort of gold plaque here that says Chanel. In terms of the designs of this bag, as you can see, it's just like a rectangle. The bottom has a couple of feet, which is really nice, and it's actually structured on the sides and on the bottom, so it will keep its shape. Opening it up, this is sort of what it looks like. It's actually pretty spacious on the interior. As you can see, it's just black. It's got one zipped compartment at the back there, and then it's got two slip compartments on the other side. This did actually come with its authenticity card. It is a 6 series bag. I'll try and link this if I can find it in the info bar below. But yeah, this is a really gorgeous unique bag in my opinion. Very vintage in its style though, so I guess it's not for everyone, but as I mentioned, like over and over again in this sort of series this month. I've been really loving shoulder bags, so I would wear it with this outfit, kind of like an all black sort of look, and then a pop of color with this bag. I think it's just, I just think it's such a cool girl bag. So if you're after something that's different but still very cool, look into this. A black version would be really stylish, but they do come in other colors. I actually just fell in love with the color of this, and that's why I went for it. But it has very minimal hardware, so if you like to mix your metals and you like to wear silver or gold, this one is a good one. Got this beautiful CC hardware there. It really doesn't have much when it comes to hardware, which is kind of nice. So if you're after like a Chanel bag that's a little bit different, that's not your typical Chanel classic flap, and if you don't love the chain, this is a really good one, and it honestly fits a lot. This actually fits quite a bit. I can fit a water bottle in here. I can fit a spare jumper, like a little jacket. I can put an umbrella in here. So I've been really happy with using this bag, and I do find with this bag, the more you stuff it, the more it actually holds its shape. So it's not a bad thing to overstuff. So it's a really great one, honestly, if you can find it for a good deal. I do just wish that the CC was on the other side as well. That'd be cute, because then you could sort of wear it either side. But you know, I guess if you wanted something that was low key and not super in your face, this is a good one to